In this video, I'll guide you through the how to add DNS records in a Squarespace domain. Whether you're setting up a new service or verifying your domain, understanding how to manage DNS records is essential. Today, I'm going to walk you through this process step by step, ensuring you can confidently make the necessary changes to your Squarespace domain settings. To get started, we'll first need to navigate to the appropriate section within Squarespace. Open your Squarespace dashboard and head over to the Settings tab. Once there, look for the Domains option. This is where all the domains associated with your Squarespace account are listed. It's crucial to select the correct domain if you have more than one. So make sure you click on the specific domain name you want to edit. Once you've selected your domain, find the DNS Settings option. This is usually located in the side menu or under a section labeled Manage Domain. Clicking on DNS settings will take you to the area where you can view and edit your DNS records. Now, scroll down to the section labeled Add. Here you'll find a drop-down menu where you can select the type of DNS record you need to add. This is an important step as different types of records serve different purposes. For instance, an A record points to an IP address and is often used for specialized hosting. If you're pointing your domain to another service like HubSpot or Shopify, you'll likely need a CNAME record, which points to another domain. If you're setting up email services through a provider like Google Workspace or Outlook, you'll need an MX record, which directs your email traffic. Lastly, a TXT record is often used for verification purposes, such as proving ownership to Google Search Console. Once you've determined the type of record you need, enter the host name. This is usually provided by the service you're connecting to. If you're unsure, the root domain often uses the @ symbol, while subdomains might use www or another prefix. Next, in the data or value field, paste the specific value provided by the service. This might be an IP address, a domain name, or a verification string, depending on the type of record you're adding. It's essential to ensure this information is accurate, as any errors can prevent your domain from connecting properly to the desired service. After entering all the necessary information, click Add. This action saves the record to your domain's zone file, making the change effective. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet, so it may take a little while before the new settings are fully active. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily add DNS records to your Squarespace domain, enabling you to connect your domain to various services or verify it as needed. Remember, managing DNS settings is a powerful tool for customizing and optimizing your online presence. So don't hesitate to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching and happy domain managing.